Hello everyone, are you tired of the winter? Literally. So today I have a soup that fits our body. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. That means a lot to me, thank you. So I have on the recipe in the description box below if you want to head out there to check out. So I have salt, pepper, water and ginger for blanching the chicken, and the onion, the pepper and garlic, celery, cilantro. It go into the broth. Now, talking about the root vegetables, I have carrots, parsnip, and radish, white daikon radish. Lately, I study and I found out that the Japanese, they love radish. To honor and to follow their guide, I used white radish to cook in this soup today. This will be very good for our body. The sweetness from the bones, the chicken, the meat, and the tenderness and flavors from the vegetables will be very good for our body. Now you just peel and I wash my vegetable first and I peel. I purchased the parsnip and carrots. A friend gave me the two big radishes that she grew by herself in her garden, and they are so fresh. So I said, oh, I need to cook with them. Now I just try to make chunk, and the rest I will make a decoration with it. That means I make simple flowers. You can see I score along, and then I go ahead to cut it a little bit so that it look like petals. And that's it. The same thing, I make incision from the side of the parsnip, and I will cut it into slices. Very simple. You don't need to have any tools. I have carving knives here because I attended a class of carving, food carving, but you don't need to be. You can make some very simple decoration. Here we go. You notice that my pieces are not the same size, so either I go all of them together into the pot, and I will remove the thin slices out first, or I put in the big chunk first and the small slices later on. But I will decide. Cooking is everything. Making decision because you are the queen of your kitchen, and you can do whatever you like to do. Express yourself to be free. Now for this radish, I use my carving knife to make some decision the same way I use the knife. So I show you some ways of doing it. I am kind of the person that who likes hot things. I mean that I like a hot soup, warm soup. I know people, crazy about drinking kale juice, making juice in a blender with kales and raw thing, but I'm not so much in it. I like to cook my soup, and when I eat it, I feel warm and my body is mended that way. And so I share with you the way that I do for myself, for my family. If it's in any way helped you, I'm very, very happy. The parsnip, I develop a taste for them. In Vietnam, we don't have the parsnip, but the parsnip, when you cook, it's become tender and very meaty. I like it. Now for the protein part, I use this pre-range chicken bought from the supermarket, so they are not incredibly expensive. It's reasonable. It's about 4 or 5 pounds. You can cook it with chicken thighs, chicken leg quarter. I have a video cooking chicken leg quarter with corns, chayote, parsnip, carrots, and red dates. Another very good soup for a body. I put the link in the description box below for your reference. Now, to wash or not to wash the chicken when you get them home, the expert would say no, but I'm not follow them. I wash my chicken. You can see I rub them with lemon and salt and wash under cold water, inside and out. You notice that the inside of this chicken, they include the innards, liver and gizzards. So you take them out and wash them the same way with salt and lemon. And after we done cleaning under cold water, I let them drain a little bit. And after that we will cook. And we will not cook directly. I go one more step, that is blanch the chicken and the parts. You can see I'm so careful about handling the chicken, clean them and then blanch them. So after that I'm completely confident that my chicken is so clean. You imagine that the chicken can sit in the bag for a few days and then you brought home and you cook it and you eat on this. It's not the way I do. You will try my way and you will see the chicken soup so aromatic. When I cook my soup on the stove, I skip over to the family room to lie down to watch TV. As soon as I smell the aroma of the cooked chicken, I know that my chicken ready. You can imagine that. So I blanch not long, okay, 3 minutes. When you rub in and then the water boil back, and that's it. You bring your meat out, your innards out. Now I use the same pot. I just rinse it up, and I use the water that we bought for rinsing to cook my chicken. Now for flavor, I put garlic, green onion, shallot, onion, ginger. And if you have some parsley stems or cilantro stem, I put in. And I put whole black peppercorn, and I peeled the carrot earlier, I put in here as well. Now I drop my chicken in, and I will add more water to cover the chicken, and I bring it to the boil. So you can drop your liver and gizzards in, but I place the gizzard first because that takes longer to cook. And the thing that if you want your broth clear like consomme, you need to remove the scum that rises on the surface. So again, I told you that I bring to the boil, and then I turn down the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. And now I drop in the vegetables and simmer for 20 minutes more. This depends on your reference. If you want to cook your vegetables more tender, you can leave in and cook more. But I found out 20 minutes to me is the perfect timing. I don't want to cook longer. My meat will fall apart, and it's not good. Right now it's very juicy and just cooked. That's what I want. So it's totally up to you. You can simmer for 10 minutes or 20 minutes or whatever level of tenderness that you like. Now I go ahead and season my soup. Salt, pepper, and fish sauce. That's all I season. You can, before you season, you can taste the broth. They are so natural and sweet because of the chicken, the bones, and the skin. Now it's time for presentation. I took some vegetable in my bowl, and I ladle the soup the broth over and sprinkle a green onion, and this is the green onion shreds that I already cut in advance and put in the cold water to curdle. Well, I invite you to taste with me. I hope you like it and give it a try. We deserve to have good food. Nurture our body. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.